Live in HD from WVUE TV New Orleans. This is Fox 8 News at 6.
Welcome back. 7:25 now. The feds want BP to work faster in getting money to people and businesses affected by the Gulf oil spill. We're taking a live look at the capping operation right now, and that's according to Incident Commander Coast Guard Admiral Thad Allen. Attorney Mike Stag joins me now with an update on that claims process. Mike, thanks for coming in this morning.
Thank you.
How is it going from your perspective?
From our perspective, the claims are moving quickly. We've received some concessions from BP. Related to a number of claims issues that we had. BP entered into a stipulation in court to not discriminate against claimants who have hired attorneys. That was a big concern initially, where if you had an attorney, they wouldn't talk to you or they put you at the back of the line. BP's agreed that they won't do that anymore. The second thing is they've agreed to keep your financial information confidential. Because obviously if you're submitting your business losses and those types of sensitive financial information, you want some assurance of confidentiality. BP's agreed in court to keep that confidential and protect that information. Also, they've agreed to hire more translators. There's a lot of claimants who English is not their first language. Vietnamese fishermen are an example of that. And they have agreed to hire more translators to help the claims process. And that's going better than it was before.
Do you know if any checks have actually gone out to some of these claimants?
I know some checks have gone out, and I also hear there are complaints about how quickly checks are going out, and we'd like to see that go better. If you can contact an attorney, might be able to help you with moving that along, or the big thing is make your claim, because under the OPA Act, you need to make sure that you file your claim, and then you wait 90 days before you can bring it to court if you have a problem. So the first step is make that claim, get that claim number, and get the process going.
What do people need to do to make that claim?
What they need to do is you can call a 1-800 number. I know the government websites have links to all that. Our website, our Gulf Oil Disaster Recovery Team has links to make those claims. You also can do it by written form. There's a form that you can download, and also you can call, and I think they'll fax that form to you.
Mike, who can make a claim? I mean, it's obvious that fishermen who can't go out are obviously experiencing damages. What about a motel owner in Venice whose business may be down 20 to 30%? Can that person make a claim as well?
Absolutely. We represent hotel owners in addition to fishermen, and hotel owners under the OPA have a claim for their economic losses. The law doesn't provide that anyone is going to make money from this, but they are entitled to get their economic losses that they suffered as a direct result of the oil spill. So if you're a hotel owner or you own property that's been damaged, then you have a right to receive compensation for that to make you whole.
Restaurant owners the same? I mean, if their business is down 20 to 30%, they might do the same thing?
Restaurant owners, the law is a little less clear on that. I believe restaurant owners will have a claim, and we are representing many restaurant owners along the Gulf Coast. But there is going to be a legal question, and there may be a debate as to how far that extends. For example, your restaurant owners might recover and hotels might recover, but then does the person who sells the beverages and the napkins to the hotel owners, do they recover? Where do you cut it off? And I think that's going to be a hotly contested legal issue on the claims process.
What do people need to bring with them or have at the ready if they're filing for a claim?
They're asking, I believe, for 2 years of income so you can verify that you had income. But of course, some businesses may have started within a year. So bring what you have, make your claim, initiate the process, do the best you can. If you have a problem, seek legal advice, and also just keep calling them, and sometimes just being the squeaky wheel really gets places. So
I've noticed that's true. Attorney Mike Stag, thanks for joining us this morning.
Thank you, Rob.
Okay.